We are the group Zaman. We are from Bashkortostan, and we came here to the Light International, the contest, which was yesterday in Leeuwarden, and we didn't want to miss the chance, and so we are here. We are so happy and we are proud that Dutch people set the monument to Bashkort warriors who took part in the releasing lands from Napoleon. Thank you. Thank you for being with us. It's such a great. We would like to say thank you for organizing this concert, this monument. So make applause for Dunya.
I have to thank you, really, Band Zaman, that you came especially 4,000 kilometers away from this small village, Weese. But 200 years ago, your forefathers, great-great-great-grandfathers came here on horses, crossed the River IJssel, and this was the start of the liberation of the Netherlands in 1813. Bravo for Bashkortostan and Bashkir horsemen.
So we are really very proud of it that we could have this here and that you came and to bring music today and to bring your tradition here back now over 200 years ago. Thank you very, very much. And I don't really have something, I know something. I'll give you, this is Sita Slow. I only have one, so I'll put it on here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's a big honor for us. So thank you and hope to see you soon, someday.
Welcome, Bashkortostan.
Welcome to Bashkortostan.